guys, Tonya here. Today we're talking, I wanted to answer some questions that you have about the new MONAT Damage Repair line. Who's it for? Who's it not for? What does it do? Why is it different? All the MONAT lines are each a little different. They're going to tackle different issues that you personally have, okay? So we can always talk through, you can take the quiz, it's down below, but we can always talk through what's gonna work best for you in this particular situation. Oh, and by the way, our hair changes with the seasons. So your product lines very well may change with the seasons, okay? But the damage repair line is specifically to strengthen and repair chemically treated hair. We all really have damage to our hair at any given point for a multitude of reasons, and the damage repair line can be used across the board on all hair types. But who's it really meant for? It's meant to strengthen and repair chemically treated hair. So do you color your hair a lot? Do you use the new trendy colors? Do you bleach your hair? Do you have extensive damage because of those chemicals that you're putting onto your hair? This product line will help to strengthen and repair that. It's an instant repair. You will noticeably see a difference the first time you wash, and then it's released up to 7 days thereafter. There's a new technology MONAT created, Monasome, not all into the science, but it's new, and it's basically, the actives are released as you comb your hair over the next couple of days after you've washed it over time, okay? So it's gonna strengthen the hair bonds 3 layers deep and improves your hair resistance. Now, I used the product line when I got it. I was excited. I always love new products. I'm a product junkie that way. But I love the product line. I did another video that shows how I washed one side with my old MONAT and one side with the new active to kind of compare and look at the differences on what I saw. So could this line be for you if you have that damage? Yes, it could be. The one product that I do love the line. I don't have a lot of damage. Ironically, the last video I did, I said I was going to get a haircut. I hadn't had a haircut in 5 months. Summer went through and my kids got hurt. But I showed up to the stylist to get my hair cut, and I'm like, cut off what you need to. I know it's been 5 months. And she's like, actually, there's not really a lot of damage. 5 months. I hadn't cut my hair. I have since. I hadn't cut my hair, and she says, you really don't have that much damage. I've been using MONAT for 1.5 years. So the products are amazing, but the last part of the damage repair line is this leave-in cream. Now, I use the leave-in conditioner. I use Renew religiously and the leave-in conditioner. Those are my go-to products. But this leave-in cream is fantastic. It also has Rejuva beads in it, which if you've followed MONAT or had any of the products, the Rejuva beads is basically the split end mender, which is an amazing product within itself. But this leave-in cream has the Rejuva beads in it. It also has the heat protectant in it, so you're using heat tools, you're blow drying your hair up to 450 degrees, flat ironing your hair up to 450 degrees. Using a curling iron, all that heat protectant is already in this product as a leave-in. It's also helping to reduce frizz, and it's helping with breakage. So I find this is a compliment to my other leave-in conditioner. I kind of go back and forth now, but what I really love this for is my daughter. My daughter's 9. When we started the MONAT journey with her, she had baby fine hair. It wouldn't grow year after year. I think she was 3 before she got her first haircut. And now, after using MONAT for 1.5 years, her hair is thick. She's getting curls, and it's becoming harder to manage. We put it in a ponytail all the time because she gets overly hot at school. And this product's making a world difference on her hair to help with that breakage with the Monasome and releasing it because we don't wash her hair every day, and loving it for her hair because it's already making a difference to help healing it because it's getting so thick, and as a 9-year-old it gets harder to manage. So we're having that growing pain right now. Okay, so who is the damage repair line not for? Do you have an oily scalp? If your scalp is oily, don't lean towards that line. Reach out, take the quiz, and let's figure out which MONAT line is going to be best suited for you at this current point on the problem that you're trying to accomplish, okay? Who else is the product line not for? Like, why would you switch the product line to damage repair? Again, chemically treated hair if your hair's really damaged, but if you are on one of the other MONAT lines, or if your problem lies in hair growth, okay, or you want to decrease hair loss, if those are types of things that you're looking to accomplish, which a lot of the other lines are meant for, it has the ingredient Capixyl. This damage repair line does not have Capixyl in it. So if your main concern right now is hair loss, or you want to decrease hair loss, you're basically looking for anti-aging, right? We want to reverse our hair and have this voluptuous head of hair, then this product line is not going to be best for you. Maybe this could help a little bit. You can interchange the products with MONAT if you ever have any questions about that. Follow me on my Facebook group. I have a private group that I basically communicate. We go through, I do videos. It's value to you, not necessarily just about MONAT, but just how to better our hair and skin today. So I'll put the link below, but on Facebook, the group is called Change My Skin and Hair Today. Love to see you there. Again, it's okay on all hair types, and it basically preserves your hair color for like up to 20 weeks if you're using it. So if your main purpose is chemically treated, you know, you have damage because of the color, because of the bleaching, this is a line that you're going to want to go to. Could this be a temporary line that you go to? Yes. And then we can see what other product line is going to work best for you in the future. It's okay to interchange the products and go back and forth. As a matter of fact, I just did a video not too long ago this summer. I had dermatitis of the scalp. Well, my Renew product, my shampoo, my go-to that I've been using for over a year at that point was not my go-to anymore. I used the ones that I was prescribed and they weren't going, and all of a sudden I used a different product line with MONAT and it worked. So we've got to change back and forth sometimes depending upon what's going through, what we're dealing with our scalp. Also because of medications, there's all types of things that get put into play. But I'd love to talk through it. If you have a concern, I'd love to help offer a solution. Follow me on the Facebook group. I'll put the quiz below if you want to check out some MONAT products. Everything has a 30-day money-back guarantee, but if you ever have any questions or answers, the best place to follow me is in the group and get some more insight. Figure out what MONAT is all about, what we do, why we do it. I offer testimonies. It's Testimony Tuesday every Tuesday, and I get testimonies from my VIPs and my market partners and myself, my journey and my daughter's journey on what's worked for us and why I love this product line and the skincare, the hair care, the body care, all of the lines so much. And if I can benefit you, my channel is about how I can serve others. If there's a product that I can show you, MONAT or not, that's going to save you time or money. I am approaching 50. I have a 7 and 9-year-old. So if there is something that I have accomplished in my life, there's a product that I use in my kitchen, in my laundry room, I'm sharing it because if I can provide value by offering you to save time and money in your busy life, that's what my channel is all about. So subscribe. I'd love to see you along the journey. All right, guys. Bye. Have a great day.